Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with a Canva activity. It is Monday morning. It's about 10:50 a.m. So most people are probably awake by now. I know this is a different type of school day. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Canva account, and then you are going to go to Instagram posts, and you're going to choose this template. We're going to be doing a really pretty quick assignment, and your job is to do this assignment and also to get familiar with Canva. Once you've chosen that, you should be looking at a screen that looks something like this, and we're going to be changing some things around. One of the first things that you want to do is upload photos so that you can use your own photos, which will also allow you to be able to use this for free. And I'm going to be using this photo. So as we're getting started, we're going to notice some of the things that are going on with this already. First of all, it is cropped. Here's the original photo. Here's the crop. As you can see, it's a square. We're going to have a look at some filters. So here there's no filter. Then you can see there's quite a variety of different types of filters that you could add. And this would obviously be dependent on the picture that you choose. And there are adjustments similar to what we've been doing in Photoshop. So you should also spend some time with those. And then lastly, depending on where your photo is, you may or may not want to change some things for flipping it. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to black since it's white originally. If you don't change this, when you delete the photo that Canva has provided, you won't see this anymore because it would be white on white. Then I'm going to delete this photo from Canva. Pretty simple. I just pressed the backspace button. And now I'm going to add my own picture. And I am going to expand it so that it fits the way I want it to. Move it around. And now I'm actually going to go back, change that font back to white. I'm going to do the same with this one. And I'm actually going to move this a little bit. Just wanted a little bit more space. I'm going to use some of these guides to make sure that things are centered. And I'm going to add a message. And I'm going to move this up a little bit so that it shows up better. And that's it. So now that I have completed that work, I can download it as a PNG or a JPEG or even a PDF, depending on what I might want to do with it. These wouldn't be necessary. And because this is all my own, I get to download it for free. Just keep in mind in Canva, when you see this little crown, that means that it's going to cost you something. So we're using the free version for these class activities, and you should not be paying for anything. If you do want to pay for things, please do those with your own additional designs, not the assignments. Once you have downloaded the photo, you'll be ready to turn it into the Google Classroom assignment.